In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a NinjaTrader account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to NinjaTrader.com, and then here it's going to say open account up top right, okay? So you can click on that. And here you're going to be directed to where you can basically go ahead and get started by using your email, Google, or Apple, okay? So you can do whatever you want. Of course, it's up to you. I'm just going to use Google because I do think it's the easiest and the quickest way. So I'm just going to click over here. I'm going to basically verify my account. There we go. And then you're going to have to put in your first name, your last name, and your email. And of course, you have to read their terms and conditions and the end user license agreement. So click on that, read it through, and if you actually agree, click on the checkbox and click on create user. Now, after you do that, as you can see, for me, my profile is already registered because I have an account with NinjaTrader already. But for you, it's going to take you to the next step. Usually, it's going to ask you for a few more details and a few more questions. And from there on, you'll be able to get to their dashboard. You'll be able to purchase one of their plans, etc. So that's how you create an account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.